A new layer of airspace is opening above our cities. Drones are becoming essential tools across industries, enabling new services and new possibilities.
But connectivity in the air is far from simple. Signal's behavior changes with altitude and environment. Ground-based testing is no longer enough. Drone-based testing transforms how low-altitude networks are measured, visualized, and assured. Automated flight and testing make low-altitude network measurement accessible and repeatable. Operators gain real-time visibility across devices, missions, and network performance. Integrated testing supports comprehensive airspace safety assessment, empowering operators, regulators, and industries to build the foundation for safe and scalable low-altitude operations.